What's up? Good morning. Welcome back to Vlogmas day 9. It is 9:43 in the morning. We're starting off the video pretty early and pretty cold because it is 47 degrees outside right now, and we're gonna go to Laredo to take my dad to another doctor's appointment. My sister's coming. I don't know where she's at though, but she's coming. And baby girl is also in the back seat. It's pretty cold. I think we're just gonna go do that. Probably go to Walmart to get I don't know, I don't think so. We'll probably just go do that and go eat and then come home because I'm supposed to get my BOXYCHARM today. Santa Claus. I did want to get ready and all that, but I remembered that I'm supposed to get my box, and I know that if I was wearing makeup I wasn't gonna go take it off just to film that video. So hopefully I get it today so that you guys don't have to see me like this for no reason. I didn't put makeup on because of that. I want to do that video, but it all depends if it gets here. And then what else are we doing today? That's it. Like, my days are getting pretty boring, but this week won't be boring because we're like, I'm gonna be doing her, I don't know if I should bake her cookies tomorrow or on Wednesday, because I think I'm gonna bake her cakes Thursday night or like Thursday evening and then decorate Friday, because I think Friday we have to go to Laredo to go order her food and stuff for her party. I think that's how everything's gonna work out. I'll do her cookies Wednesday. We'll see. You guys are just gonna have to go along with me. We're gonna drop off Tiny at my mom's. We're gonna get going and we'll see you guys in Laredo. Okay guys, so since I am not going to be doing anything else today and we are filming Vlogmas, I'm going to be filming this month's BOXYCHARM in a Vlogmas video. This is today, like I'm filming this today. And the footage that you guys saw was from yesterday, December 10th. Today's December 11th. And I didn't film it yesterday because I missed my mailbox lady because I was in Laredo with my dad at the doctor. So that is why I'm filming this video today, or like finishing up this video, and then it's gonna go up pretty late. So if you're watching this, it's probably like 8, 9, 10 at night. But this month I didn't get the original BOXYCHARM. I got the Boxyluxe. So I'm super duper excited to have gotten the Boxyluxe. I was able to get this one, and I'm actually going to take a picture and post it on Snap. And now I'm going to get to opening it up and seeing what is in here. So this is what the box looks like. It's like the regular BOXYCHARM box but on steroids. So this is what it looks like, and it says it's tis the season, Boxyluxe. I'm so excited. Hi guys. Well, let me explain to you real quick what Boxyluxe is. BOXYCHARM is a subscription. I say this every single month. It's a subscription that costs $21 a month. Those $21 get taken out of your account the first of every new month. For you to get Boxyluxe, you have to sign up through BOXYCHARM like you would BOXYCHARM, but except you're going to choose Boxyluxe. Boxyluxe, you get it every 3 months. So in December is 1 month, and then in 2 months, or wait, December, January, February, March. In March, I'm gonna get another big old box like this. So it's every 3 months that you get the big box. A regular, like next month for January, I'm gonna get the small regular box. That's only $21. So for Boxyluxe, they took out $21 from my account, and then I believe they took out $23 extra. So the total worth of this box, how much it cost me, was about 50 bucks. But the amount of stuff that's in here totals up to over $300, I think, if I'm not mistaken. So the first thing I'm going to take out are these brushes. These are the Luxie Complete Face Set brushes, and this is super pretty because it comes in its own, like, you can stand this up on your vanity and it's just gonna hold your brushes in this box. So these are, I'm not gonna take them out one by one. I'm just gonna show you guys that these are the brushes that it comes with. These brushes are $65 this set. The next thing that I'm going to pull out is this Beyond Cleansing Body Wash Infused Buffer. Obviously this is for when you take a shower. This is $20. That's what it retails for. And I've heard a lot of people use this. It's like you just hold it like this in the shower and you just like scrub yourself with it, and it's already infused with like soap and stuff. So that's pretty cool. It smells really good, so I'm excited to use that tonight. This is what I was super excited about. This is the Pretty Vulgar, the Powder Room Matte About It face powder. Look at these cute little puff. I'm really excited to try this out, and the packaging is super duper cute. Check it out. It has like these pretty colors, and then along the side here, so pretty. And this was $32. And then you get this Glam AF baggie. You could put makeup in here, you could put whatever you want in here. No way. Is this a charger? Oh, it has this here for the iPhone. That is nice. And then it has this one here for like an Android phone. What is this? Grande Mascara Lash Boosting Formula. I see you. This mascara is $25.
Babe.
Yeah.
What are you doing, babe?
I'm not doing nothing, babe. What are you? What are you doing?
Daddy.
I guess I didn't get the straightener. I got this instead because this is what I actually asked for. This is a Prodigy. I don't know what this is called. Oh, the little charger is $22. And then this little guy, I can't find it. Oh, it's right here. This little guy is $34. And it is a palette featuring 6 highly pigmented shimmer and matte shadows and 2 brilliant highlighters. So this is what this little palette looks like. I love this color here and this one. I got a second palette. Well, I'll save that for last. But the next thing I got is this LMS Pro Collagen Marine Cream. It's an anti-wrinkle day cream for fine lines and wrinkles. Thank you, Jesus, because the girl is getting old. You know how expensive stuff like this is, even at the drugstore? Like an anti-wrinkle cream is like $30. I'm not gonna pay for that. I'd rather have wrinkles. This is $89. Just give me all the wrinkles. I'm not gonna pay $89 for this. Oh my god. Mejor me quedo arrugadita. Jesus Christ, that's expensive. I don't even want to use this. The next thing is this Tarteist Shimmering Lip Paint. I hope I didn't get like this crazy like copper color because I probably won't use it. I got mine in the shade Insta Famous. Ew. It's not a copper, but it's just like a little shimmer shade. And the last thing that I was super duper excited about is the Violet Voss Pro eyeshadow palette. and I guess this is my holy grail. I don't know, but this has 20 highly pigmented eyeshadows in it, so you guys can just imagine how much this box is worth. And this palette costs 45 bucks. Insane. Babe, this is $45.
Right.
Yes. Okay, look at this packaging. It's so pretty. Whoops. Ta-da! That's what she looks like. I feel like this is gonna be an everyday palette. Definitely an everyday palette. It has a super duper nice mirror. So I'm gonna add everything up and tell you guys how much Boxyluxe is worth. Guys, this box is worth $352. And I only paid 50 bucks for this box. So if you guys have been hesitant to order Boxyluxe or to sign up for Boxyluxe, I definitely think it's worth it. Like, I don't even know what to say. Just get Boxyluxe. What are you doing back there?
It's 4 times a year.
You get the Boxyluxe 4 times a year?
Yes.
If it's every 3 months?
Yes.
4 times a year.
How many months are in a year?
12. Could you leave? Bye. So I'm going to get started on my face, and then as I go I will show you guys how the things work. So I'm gonna do like my foundation off camera. Really, dude? I'm gonna do my foundation off camera, and then I'll come back and show you guys how the powder works. Oh, but you know what, I gotta use the brushes, so you ain't going nowhere. For my foundation, I'm gonna be using my all-time favorite. This is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation, and I'm in the shade Bronze Beige 370C. So I'm just going to put this on my skin like normal. I'm going to use the Luxie Round Top blender to blend this stuff out. Oh girl, like a dream. So fast, super easy. I like this. It does a really good job. It is super soft, very easy to blend out your foundation. Now I'm going to pick up my concealer, and I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape concealer for this. I always use this concealer. I'm going to see if I can use the Pro Precision face brush, and this is the Luxie 680 to blend out my under eye concealer. Very nice. Very, very nice. It blends out super fast. So now I'm going to try using the Pretty Vulgar face powder, and this is the Matte About It. Like mad but matte. It doesn't really add like color to your face. It's pretty translucent as it says it is. Okay, so my face is done. I already did my contour and all that. My eye is really bugging me. From Suva, the Suva Beauty palette. I don't even know if I'm saying that right. I'm gonna grab Era, which is this shade right here, and I'm gonna use that as a highlighter because the other one is like too pinky. It doesn't do nothing. Barely anything is on my nose. Okay, so I don't know about this one. I don't know about the eyeshadows, but this highlighter here is no bueno. No bueno. I don't know about this one, but I'm not gonna put it on my face today because it looks real pinky-ish. What the heck? Well, that one, I mean, you can sort of see that one. Yeah, you can definitely see Theory, but Era, the one over here, the more golden one, yeah, this one you can tell. You can see it a lot more. Now, I'm going to jump into eyeshadow. So I'm gonna go in with the shade Thanks a Latte in my crease. You know what I haven't done in so long? Tape. Okay. I think I'm even gonna put lashes on today, you guys. I'm gonna go in with Transition, which is this shade here. It's more like a brownie shade, and I'm going to put it in my transition. And then I'm gonna go in with Hashtag. And then I'm gonna go in with Wine and Dine. I'm gonna take on Fleek with some Fix Plus. Teddy bear. Okay, so my eyes are pretty much done. I was going to use the mascara, but I want to put lashes on just because I feel like lashes would totally make this look, since it's more on the dramatic side. I never do colors like this anymore. I feel like this would be a mascara that I have to use with something else, but it does lengthen for sure. It just doesn't make them thick. It doesn't say that it does. I'm just saying that that's something that I look forward to in a mascara. Like, I like for them to make my lashes look thick. If it doesn't, then I won't buy it or I won't use it. And then I will be right back. So I've already put on these lashes. I'm feeling myself. I'm gonna use this LA Colors Matte Liquid Lip Color in the shade Perception. I got this shade at the dollar store and it was like $1 and they last forever. I don't know if my sister-in-law is watching, Wendy. These are the ones that I had told you about that are from the dollar store. So if you haven't tried these, because she was obsessing over the e.l.f. ones, and those are super affordable. If you haven't tried the LA Colors ones, are super good too. Alrighty guys, that does it for this month's BOXYCHARM. I really liked everything. I hope you guys enjoy it and I hope you guys subscribe to BOXYCHARM. I don't know if I have a code. I will check, and if I do have one for anyone that wants to subscribe or get it or whatever, like you see, this already dried. It's already dried. I will check to see if I have a code. If I do have one, I'll leave it down in the description box so that you guys can sign up using it. I do not get paid for sharing my code for you guys. The only thing that we both get are a free product with your next box. So like, that's only if I have a code though. I'm pretty sure I do, so I will double check and I hope I remember to put it. But if it's not there, it's because I forgot to put it. So just ask me if I have a coupon code so that I can send it to you. That way you guys can get your box in January or whenever you guys ask me. And then both of us will receive all of our products plus an extra gift. So that about does it for this Vlogmas video slash BOXYCHARM unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it and we'll see you guys tomorrow with day 10, 11. With day 11. Because today's day 10. Yeah. Okay. Bye guys.